Sanbonan, my name is Gerald Shoni Mudabi. I'm back at it again today, of all days, this Saturday. It's the big game, Soweto Derby, Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs. And I'm sure abaningi benu anifuna ukungibona for obvious reasons, especially nina mabhakaniya. Ngizwe into ezibhayo ukuthi sengu Junior Khanye angazi ubani loyo because mina nguGerald Mudabi nikwatela into engekho ukuthi mina ngithi iPirates izodliwa. Ayikho into benikwatele because iPirates idliwe. And ngiyabuya vie ngale ndaba eningafuna ukuyizwa yeSoweto Derby ukuthi kuzovena abantu vandag. Ngabe ngibuza nina but then ngithukile last nakhuluma into ebhaye ngafuna ukuphela but you understand nami mangiluzile ngabathuka abanye nami ngithukile back because ngifila ngathi ngithukela into engekho. But let's get to it. Kaizer Chiefs visits FNB Stadium, a ground that all of a sudden has become very problematic for both sides, with Chiefs losing during the week against Stellenbosch, which is their home ground where they're supposed to slaughter clubs. They got mauled 2-1. Guguti Pirates a week earlier lost to Sundowns by the same scoreline. But Chiefs, there is something interesting about Bona. They go forward at full steam. Their speed of going forward in possession is quite amazing. It's quite good to watch. And I saw how functional their right side was against Stellenbosch United. And Flavio Silva deservedly got the opener. Unfortunately, they couldn't contain that lead and ended up losing the game 2-1. But that point engimentionayo ukuthi baquick kanjani ukuya phambili. Pirates should be very, very worried ukuthi they face a team that comes at you using their width, which has got quite nippy and quick football players. But they also, unfortunately, considered in the same side ebakore kuyo, which is the side edlala kuyo Paseka Magu, who played for Orlando Pirates, who, if not spoken to, could be becoming their weak link. Mina ngifila ngathi unokuchazwa kuya phambili angazi ukuthi uyofunani urubeke nda because akashuti akana final pass that leads to goals. He doesn't have a good assist ratio. So why does he search forward now and again and leaves open spaces wherever he came from? Thabiso Monyane does the same. He likes bulleting forward. And these two players are players that played for Orlando Pirates. And they could take full advantage if Lamachita Itu Agringwanga now, especially the side Lara Paseka Mago, which is the side I think Pirates could do themselves a big favor by taking advantage of that side. But Nabo, one is Abi Nkinga on the left side, where they decided to drop Undaba and play Ution Hoto. Why Ution Hoto asadlala, gents? Ution Hoto kumele bambonge bathi mfethu siyabonga ushayile into yakho hambo phanda kwabanye Stellenbosch, Kaizer watu uzozibona ukuthi uzibhesha up na ku Chiefs ungaya amafuni bayathatha nalapho mawungathi ubuya ku Pirates ungaya lapho. But to play Dion Hoto still it's not going to happen. Let's give this kid a chance. Undaba, he did well whenever he got an opportunity to play or start. And I don't know why the coach is not brave enough to throw him. And there is no better time to throw a kid like in a game of this magnitude where angazichamela nokuzichamela uvala. And when you are that nervous as a player, you usually do well. I think it would make him or make him. It can't break him because he's already felt how supportive the Bucks faithful can be if you do well for them. He has played twice, maybe 3 times, and it could be a big opportunity for him to solidify his place on the left side. And it could prove to the club lento ngisho ukuthi abasamdingi uDion Hoto. Isalary ayiholayo engabhadala intwana ezi4 kule age akuyo. So I think isikhathi sokuthi avaye. Kunabanye nje abangani bakhe engifuna ukubabala but angizelanga bona la. Sizele indaba ukuthi kuzowina abanye, and let's get to it. Pirates must win. They have to win. Akunakuthi the feeling the coach wants to check ukuthi iChiefs is mela khulule yonke into anayo to get the necessary 3 points, because if he loses this one, I'm telling you now, the league title is gone. If he loses this one, his job might not be on the line directly on Saturday or this afternoon when the referee blows his final whistle. But with the supporters, he will not be able to go to Pick and Pay, ShopRite, Boxer. I don't know where he buys his food. He will have to buy food online, because, coach, these people will attack you if you lose to Chiefs. It's your first derby. I wish you do well. But you saw examples against Sundowns. It was a packed FNB. It's going to be worse this afternoon. So you can do yourself a huge favor and allow your team to play freely for you to get the necessary 3 points that you definitely have to collect, because already you are off the pace. Sundowns is back at it after we gave them the 3 points that they didn't deserve with all the problems they had. Chiefs could be problematic and will be problematic. And the result, according to me, sure, gents, I really want Orlando Pirates to win. Ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Ukuthi nithi ngikwatile ngenzeni, I have to say this again. Kaizer Chiefs is going home with the 3 points. I'm even scared to look at you when I say this. Chiefs is going home with all the maximum points. Why? They have problems of their own, but Chiefs is playing an attractive brand of football, especially in transition, especially on their counter-attack, especially going forward. I'm just as worried as everyone is about them leaking goals, which could be a very big opportunity for Pirates to pounce or take advantage. But if not taken care of, Chiefs is going to head Orlando Pirates. And I really want to give you the scoreline. It will have a lot of goals, but I just don't see a scoreline set draw, and I really don't see a Pirates side winning with the way Zinto Zambanga call it. There's a lot of, I personally feel confusion in team selection. I think the coach is in 6s and 7s. I hope he doesn't have an advisor of note or of sort. No, keeper law, fara law, angakwenzela umsebenzi ongcono. I think right now, coach, you need a big pair of those ones where you decide on your own who will do the job, and not who has done the job against Golden Arrows 7 weeks ago or Makesi. No, coach, you are not playing Makesi. You are playing your biggest rivals, crosstown rivals, the noisy neighbors, because if they beat you, they will make noise, and we don't want to be a part of the noise, coach. I personally wish you all of the best, and if I've got any advice for you, revisit the past couple of derbies, because the players that won those derbies, most of them are still at your disposal. I'm not going to signal which players you must look out for or hint at it that play Tito, and I'm not saying play Tito, I'm just making an example, but people will look at it in their own way, and that's okay. But if you as well get an opportunity to see this before the match starts, then play Tito if you want, coach. He might just be your answer. He's unhappy. He's not playing regular football. He's sulking. But one thing that is definite, he knows how to play football. He scored a winner in the derby before. He's got the most assists currently at Pirates. He's got all the answers to what you actually looking for in terms of the questions you have. So maybe he might just not be a bad idea. Look out for Mtutuzi Shabalala. He's been having an unfortunate period in front of goal. But your worry should not be that. Your worry should be he is getting into the right areas. He is getting into the dangerous areas. He's just not converting. So what would happen if he was to finish the chances that are created for him when he gets into those positions? If he was clinical, he could beat Pirates 3-0. He could hurt Pirates even more. So let's take care of those small things. And speaking about Mtutuzi Shabalala, ndoda phaphama nawe man. Ucompare noRile, who is in a league of his own. Uintwana sekasi, usebenzisa inyawo ezi2, uRile usebenzisa eli1. Angifuni ungena kakhulu endabeni yenu ukuthi who's better, who is not better. You are two good football players. But ndoda ubuye kasi. Dlalela iKaizer Chiefs, dlalela ikasi lakho, dlalela abazali bakho. You are playing for a big club, awusasentwana. 3 years ago bekulula mntu ukuthi Mtutuzi is a baby. We must understand you are not a baby awucha. Kumele ngabe ulwela ukuya ku World Cup manje. Hayi ukuthi ngisazo selectwa for a preliminary squad. Ukuyodlala ku World Cup. This is your opportunity. Step up, take full advantage of this big occasion. You've played the derby before, you've rocked the derby before. Usula ngejezi ebusweni. Thatha le game futhi mfethu. Awucedele inkulumo le ukuthi ubani ongcono between wena noRile. Really awuthaka ngisasho namanje ngiyabezwa abantu bayakhuluma bathi Rile awukakadlali for goal. Mina ngakaboni next angakaboni stuff you are made of, stuff that you showed us every single day at GDC level at gymming. So motoshe bile ngiutlana nakhe grand mohlongo akera usodlala idisk dlala disk. So wena le Mtutuzi le mabade, but you can make this very very interesting for the 100,000 people that will be packed at the FNB Stadium usapho. So sha coach kaBhoma uyazwa ngikhuluma kanjani ukuthi angayilandi ngesingami la and akuna caption. Sha coach ngeBhoma wenza into eyithandayo mfethu ujabulisa abantu. Mtutuzi the same. We used to have Dr. Tebogo Mloyi doing this every time the derby was on. They would defy the coach's instruction because this is not a coach's game. This is a fan's game. This is a biggest match in the African football calendar. And the two of you can decide the happiness index of the supporters come 90 minutes this afternoon. So it's up to you to make sure that the faithful of both Chiefs and Pirates go home bajabulile. I want to go home ngijabulile ngizobe ngisegamini. Mtutuzi wasekasi sihlala ikaseli 1. Rile untwanaka, I really don't want to get involved. I've already spoken about the two of you, but you will decide the match. All the best to Orlando Pirates, but I maintain Kaizer Chiefs is taking it home. Kaizer Chiefs is taking the 3 points. My name is Gerald Mutaba.
Score prediction.
Oh! I really was hoping that it doesn't have to get down to this. 2-0 to Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, 2-0 to Chiefs.
Okay. Ama-fans are-complaina ngoMasindi Mtajela. And he's a very good boy. He's very good. He plays box to box, interceptions uyazenza. Ungapha uncede defense. We know ukuthi is an attacking midfielder, but apparently there's been said ukuthi there's been a say ukuthi umntwana akaconnect kahle noMakhawula. Umbatha uhleli ngaphandle. There's Mbule as well. Ngwanasesi apparently he is injured, but Ngwanasesi he can give us more than Umbuthumi. What do you have to say about this whole technicality?
It's unfortunate, especially in the Masindi. I've got communication. I had a word with with Masindi this morning on Instagram at about 2 a.m. And I told him, look, I know right now everyone in the grandstand is the coach. They want what they want. And it's going to put a lot of anxiety and stress in your small head, especially playing for a big club like Orlando Pirates. But you are not going to manage ukupleasa wonke umuntu by doing what everybody wants. And I said to him, remind yourself what made the Buccaneers happy 4, 5, 6 weeks ago, and revisit that person you were during leso sikhathi mawubajabulisa, and bring that person back to life. Don't bring the depression that is currently personifying your game because everybody is saying a lot of things. If it's said is a box-to-box midfielder, I really am not seeing a player going box-to-box. I see a player hiding, and he needs to dazzle. He needs to come to the party and show that he wants to be part of the spectacle this afternoon. And that's not going to happen if he's taking a lot of instruction from all corners, because it means he's not playing his game. He's playing to instruction when he's supposed to use discretion of an intelligent football, which he is. And it's really up to him. He goes in this afternoon if he gets an opportunity to start and displays the beautiful football he's known to play, or he goes and hides further because he's scared of what the supporters might say, which won't be helpful because it's going to get worse for him. They'll call for a substitution and ultimately decide which direction his confidence takes. And he really doesn't want that because he's playing at a club that has depth, that has massive talent, that has a lot of football players that could be better than him, but are not getting chances that he's getting. So he loses opportunities to start or play. He might not play for the remainder of the season because the league is at a crunch period where it's decision times where players are kept or let go. Clubs want to win the league, clubs want to avoid relegation, players want to get new contracts, and Masindi is one of the players that needs to make sure that he puts a stamp on the Soweto derby. Now it's his first, but it's just a football game. It's the same as Adlale Stark ground, Shawela. It's the same as when he played against Eloy Lupopo and scored, and he went out to DRC, played well. He's not a child who needs to be babysat through the Soweto derby because I'm a supporter of Rasa to the FNP. No, akathathe lo msindo awuconvert umkhuthaze so that it becomes better. Talent Mbatha, according to me, mina ngibona ngathi personal between yena no coach. I understand why angadlali. When the coach arrived, the man was regular, doing well, chipping in with important goals even from deep in the holding midfield role, to a player who doesn't even get a look at. Angiunderstand ukuthi bayenzaneni necoach ngoba angikaze ngazo talent akhuluma isingami la, so ucoach akekho mnandi ngesizulu, so bazobe baxabaniswa yini because abaringi into efanayo. Oyi-one ngathi une problem esingemithi, oyi-one akafrostani isizulu. And for me, each time I hear stories like that with a coach is at loggerheads with a football player, I start worrying about small dynamics like that. They don't speak the same language, so what are they fighting about? They definitely, I'm sure, don't date the same girl. The coach is married, I hope, coach. And hopefully the player is settled as well, because you are at a big club. You don't want small squabbles that all of a sudden determine the league championship, whether it comes home or it goes away to other places, because there's small tiffs and misunderstandings with football players. And it should never happen that coaches have got things against their weapons to become champions and become top coaches. But if that's not the case, and it's just that the player is not working hard, the player needs to come to a level where he understands that he is key to Hugo Bross's plan of playing in the World Cup, and that opportunity might easily slip away because you are not playing at club level. Why do you want to go and play the World Cup? Ungadlali eklabhini yenu. Asithi siyodlala ama-Phillies games ndoda, siyodlala i-World Cup. We don't want players that are not fit or that are disheartened or disturbed mentally because they've got personal battles going on with their club coaches and they take that to the bigger stage of world football. So with talent, I hope it's the same. When I say yes, he could have been a serious addition to our firing line because Buttuma potential, yes. Soweto Derby, maybe not yet. I could be proven wrong. Come the end of 90 minutes, Van Dijk, if he's given a chance, it's an opportunity for the kid to put a stamp on it as well. He had an opportunity to be a hero against Sundowns, fluffing a very, very clean opportunity against Ronwen with the jackknife technique. The header was proper. The direction he took, according to me, was the right direction because he was trying to go across the goalkeeper's body. He was trying to go the opposite way from where the cross came from, which technically is what you are taught as a footballer. So was he wrong? No, he was just unfortunate. Was the connection proper? Yes, of course. It was clean. The contact was hard on. The header was directed. He just could not hit the back of the net. But I'll tell you, that won't be enough against the Chiefs. Against Sundowns, yeah, singakhuluma lesingamla lesabo jackknife nabo connection nani. I'll tell you, uzokhura namabhakaniya if uthola ama chance afana nalawa against laba abayellow and you don't finish. You get an opportunity, bury it. You get an opportunity, take the full advantage of writing your name in history of one of the biggest clubs in Africa, which is Pirates. You score against Chiefs, your name will remain in the Bucks' hearts for as long as you live, Outcham. I wish I'd scored in my first derby. I didn't, but asikho da siku Chiefs ne Pirates nokuthi ngithe iChiefs izowina 2-0.
Dawu ngayivala.
Signing out, my name is Gerald Shoni Mudabi. Asihlangane stadium namhlanje. So mangangibona ungihrunte ungibuze ngopapi, ungibuze ngomdu ngizokutshela bakhona ba grand but ngiyabashiya no with the FNB. Asibonane la sharp.